Hello, I'm Chris McClure, and this is my Module 1 presentation. First of all, some personal information. My wife, Chandra, she and I will be celebrating our 25th wedding anniversary in December. We have a son, Andrew, who just finished his third year as a middle school teacher in Baldwin City, and our daughter, Hallie, is also a teacher, finishing up her first year at Clay Center. I went to Ottawa University after a brief stint at Garden City Community College, received a degree in accounting, and then I received my teacher certification at Sterling College about 5 years after I completed my degree at Ottawa. And then shortly after coming to Smoky Valley, I received my master's in curriculum and instruction from Wichita State. I just finished my 23rd year at Smoky Valley and my 26th overall year teaching. I am a business teacher. I am also our CTE coordinator and our college and career advocate. I coach football. I'm going to be the defensive coordinator, and I am also the head softball coach as well as our FCA huddle leader. Mission and vision statements. So vision statements, Smoky Valley has had multiple in-services since I've been here that focus on our mission statement or our vision statements, both district level and building level. We've had multiple versions of our vision statement. We try to make them central to everything that we do. We've tried to work, as the Iris Center has said, to make them clear and focused and challenging and inspiring and all of those things. Our mission statement, I think we are using it to inform our decisions. As Crawford said, it doesn't mean much unless it's integrated, and I think for the most part that it is here at Smoky Valley. Our core values, when we looked at developing or revising our vision statement or our mission statement, we were taking into account the values of the Lindsborg community as a whole. So I think we did a good job of involving other stakeholders. Promotion of success and well-being of our students. I mean, that's the reason we're here, right, is for the success and the well-being of our students. And we have done that. We have continued to put that first, I believe, at Smoky Valley. With our knowledge, skills, and commitments, as I mentioned, Smoky Valley's had multiple in-services in an effort to include all the stakeholders and use what knowledge and skills they have, whether it's on a site council or the school board or any of the other groups where we involve business people and parents. Maintain continuous improvement. I think we do a great job at Smoky Valley of being data-driven. We involve a lot of different sources of data to make sure that we're heading in the right direction. I think Smoky Valley is very technologically advanced. One of the things I've been proud of since I've been here is how we, not only for our students, but also our staff, the level of expertise and continued improvement there. Something I'd like to say I'm very proud of. We also work very hard to improve our equity, diversity. We're not the most diverse community or school, but we do talk about those things. And then digital citizenship. We have numerous teachers, including myself, who deal with digital citizenship, and we try to make that very important to our students for their future. The critical reflection. In the reflection, I compared our vision statement, mission statement to the resources provided, and am proud of the work that we have done in this area to provide direction from the board, the administration, the staff. Again, I think Smoky Valley has done a great job continuing to lead our students and our staff. And this is our vision, our mission statement. Our vision statement, I don't know if this is an accurate vision statement, if it is truly our vision statement, but we champion for all students is something that is seen across the district on all of our letterhead, stationery, and things that we talk about pretty much every district meeting, all those in-services I mentioned, we try to champion for all students. Our core values, I think we are a school district, and this is on our website, the district website. We are a school district that takes pride in making decisions that are based on what is best for every child. And again, 23 years, I can say that 90% of the time, 99% of the time, I think that we do that as a district. Then you can see my concluding statements, whether it's the correlation, the relevance, or the reflection, and all of the references. Thank you very much.